Today I'm going to show you one of my favourite kind of rum tiki cocktails for this time of year, autumn, winter. I think it's absolutely amazing. It's the perfect rum cocktail for this time of the year. Does it work in the summer though? Yes, of course it does. The only thing I will say, the reason why I kind of class it as a wintry drink is simply because you've got plenty of allspice dram. I say plenty, but you never need much of it to come forward. So you've got plenty of those kind of wintry notes coming through. It's absolutely glorious, well balanced, a little bit of citrus in there, rum, but a little bit of sweetness too. So I'm going to run you through the recipe in a second. I have played about with different rums in this. This is Don the Beachcomber's recipe. I think it's Don, I'm sure it's Don's, but from the 1930s. He just called for an aged rum in this. So I'll talk you through the rums that I've used in them. But I have used, for you spiced rum fans, I have actually used dark matter in this as well, probably 6 to 8 months ago now. And that works a treat as well. So a nice spiced rum, heavily sort of cloves and cinnamon and spices would work a treat in this as well. But as always, let me know what you think to this cocktail. If you make it, take a photo, upload it to Instagram, and then tag me at Steve the Barman. So the ingredients you're going to need for this, the original recipe that I've seen just calls for an aged rum. I'll be honest, I've made this a few times. I don't think I've settled on a rum that actually makes this cocktail like go wow like that. Every single rum I've used in this they all come out roughly the same because you've got big bold flavours of like cinnamon and pimento going in there as well. But feel free to play around. I've just picked the Plantation's Guatemala and Belize because for me personally, it's actually one of my favourite plantation rums out of that series of 4. And it's the one that probably gets the least love. It's a really great rum. So it's the Guatemala and Belize. I've got Giffard Vanilla liqueur. I've got some Pimento Dram, Bitter Truth Pimento Dram, allspice essentially. Cinnamon syrup, lime juice, orange juice, and Angostura bitters. So as always, the ingredients will be below, but let's crack on. So 60 ml. A double bubble of your favourite kind of aged rum. Have a play. Let me know kind of what you settle on, which rum you think is the best in there. So we've got 60 ml of that. I'm then going 5 ml of Giffard's vanilla liqueur. I'm going for 5 ml of, you never want more than this to be honest. 5 ml goes a very long way. So 5 ml of a Bitter Truth's sort of Pimento Dram liqueur. It's gorgeous. We then go for 10 ml of your cinnamon syrup, whatever cinnamon syrup you've got there. So 1/3 of an ounce of that. And then we are going 15 ml of lime juice. So freshly squeezed lime juice, 1/5. And 20 ml of freshly squeezed orange juice. So 2/3 of an ounce orange juice. And then it's just 1 dash of Angostura bitters. So there we go. Always looks like 2, but they've got proper little dash things on them. So you kind of want like 1 and a little bit of that. So this just gets shaken down. Plenty of ice. Right. And then, oh, I love that aroma. It's one of these, I found this cocktail a couple of years ago. Oh, it's gorgeous. Right then, to serve up, it's kind of like a rocks glass. I've got my kind of tiki, what's it called, julep glass. I really, really like this. Just slightly, probably a couple of ounces bigger than kind of like a rocks glass or a double old-fashioned, whatever they're called. So I'm just going to single strain over crushed ice. Look at that. Perfect. We shall just top up with a tiny bit more of crushed ice just to make that look pretty. Or not so crushed ice. And then I've got a couple of sprigs of mint here. And then just to finish this off, I've got an orange and a cherry, or orange peel and a cherry. And that is my Nui Nui. Absolutely gorgeous, spice forward. It really goes well with the rum. As I say, winter drink, but I think it goes all year round.